everyone, today I'm going to try to do a new toner with some products that I saw at my drugstores, and I was really curious because I didn't know they exist. I don't know if it's new. I think it is because I didn't really find anything yet on YouTube. I think I find like one video of a review of this product. The name is got2b Color Pöp. So it's an intense color and care mask, and it's supposed to stay on your hair for 6 washes. But today I'm not gonna really like put it to have the color. I'm gonna do a toner with it. Usually when I do my toner, I always use Mani Pedi products. So I'm really excited to see if it can work the same because they were less expensive. But it was $7.99. It was on special. I think usually it's maybe like 11. Mani Pedi, sometimes it depends. It can be like it's a Canadian dollar, but it can be like 14 and sometimes a little bit more. So if this works, I might just switch to this. So I bought like 3 colors. I have this is the purple. I bought the mint. This is probably not to do toner, but I want to put some color on my hair this summer, and just like the blue. It looks like a dark blue. So today I'm probably gonna use the blue and the purple, sorry. Because I don't know if you can see, but my hair is really brassy right now. It's like a yellow and orange, like a really yellow orange. Just gonna play with the light so you can see, like even if I put it up or if I put it down, you can see that. That's gonna put some gloves, and I'm gonna open let's open the purple and see. Oh, okay, this is really dark. It almost look red. I'm a bit scared, but we'll see. So I'm gonna open this, and I'm gonna open the blue one. Oh. Okay, so this is way lighter than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was like a dark blue, but so the purple is darker than I thought, and the blue it's lighter, but it doesn't matter because I'm gonna mix them anyways. Okay, so this is the blue and the purple, and what I'm gonna do, oh, let me show you the mint. Even though I'm not gonna use it now, I'm gonna show you. I'm probably gonna do a video of using it. This is not mint, but it's a lighter blue, but I'm gonna have to try it on my hair to see if it looks more like mint. But anyways, okay, so I'm gonna use the conditioner Aussie, and I have this to put everything and mix it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna use, because I don't know if it's gonna work, I don't want to waste like the product. So I'm gonna only do like 250 milliliters. Okay, so I just put the conditioner. This is 250, and this is the Aussie conditioner. Don't know if you can see. And now I'm gonna put I'm gonna start with the blue. Again, I know I tell this every time I do like a toner video, but the blue can sell orange, and the purple can sell yellow. So if you have like a hair color a bit like mine, it's a bit more orange than yellow. I don't know if you can tell. So I'm gonna put a little bit more blue, but I'm still gonna put purple because I have some part that is lighter and it's more like yellow. I don't know if you can see. So I'm gonna put, let's say, sorry, half of a tablespoon of the blue. Like this is a nice blue. Oh no, there's a hair. It doesn't matter, but okay. So there. So if your hair is really just orange, you can just use the blue. I'm gonna put, I take also half of a tablespoon of the purple. Oh, okay, so the purple, the consistency, it's a bit thicker. That doesn't look purple, guys. Does it look purple to you? It looked like almost brown. Is it just me? You better not mess my hair. Oh, this look brown, guys. Look at that. But anyways, so I'm just gonna mix everything. Oh, that is not purple. Now I'm scared. I'm scared to use it. I'm gonna be honest. Usually when I do my toner, I don't mind. I'm like, oh, the worst case, it's like it's gonna turn purple, green, or blue, but this is not purple. It looks just brown. It looks like more red. Yeah, that's brown. This is not the color that you want your toner to be, okay? Is that a purple? No, I'm trying like to... It's really purple. They said purple, right? So why are you brown? Okay, so after thinking, this is not purple, guys. Like, let's be honest, this is more like a brown red. And I'm not ready to take the chance to like put this all over my hair, even though a toner is not supposed to stay on your hair, but no. You know what I'm gonna do is I'll probably just gonna use this and try it like on one part of my hair and see. So what I decided is to do another toner. I have some conditioner again, and I'm just gonna use the blue. Blue should be enough to tone my hair. I'm just looking, and even though like the part that is lighter, it's a bit yellow, this blue should work. Then I'm just gonna put 1 tablespoon of the blue because I'm not gonna mix with the purple. And please don't let me down. So there you go. And I'm just gonna mix. It's not a lot, but it should be enough for my hair. And let's mix everything. I'm gonna put half of a tablespoon again, just because I want a bit more blue. Okay. Mix everything. Okay, so this is what the color looks like. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try the brown one on this part of my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my gloves and yeah, this is not gonna do nothing. I think it's just gonna look like brown. Look at that, it just looks like the same color. And I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, for the rest of my hair, I'm just gonna put the blue. Oop, trying to not mix them. Okay, and I'm just gonna put the blue right away on top. And of course it's better to separate your hair in section, but I never do. I'm sorry. I know some comments always like tell me it's better just separate your hair. I know, but I just kind of do it like this, but just not really separate everything. This is just enough for my hair, like less I would have missed some point. Okay, so the back is still not saturated, but the poor back of my hair, it's like I don't really mind what's going on there, but I'm trying. Okay, yeah, that's enough. I can see my hair definitely it's toning like down. And what's going on with this part is just a bit brown purple, I'm gonna have to say. I don't know if you can tell. I'm just gonna rinse this right now so you can see, because after it's gonna be hard to see what color it is, because it's just gonna mix everywhere. But this is the part that I put like the brown one. It looks a bit brown purple. It's kind of weird to say. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse my hair because I'm scared. Okay, I'm done washing my hair, and I'm pretty sure some part of my hair is like green or blue, because I don't know if you can tell. The thing is, after I closed the camera, it was dying. My battery was dying, so I had to rush and like recharge the battery while I was rinsing it. So I kind of keep it for probably 5 minutes in total, which is probably too much for like how many like the blue that I put in the conditioner. But let's see. Okay, so the part in the front, it's a little bit blue. And it did tone my hair, but I feel like some part it's still a bit brassy, but not as much. And I don't know if you can tell, this is pretty much, okay, it's not blue, but you can see there's a little bit of blue, which is normal because it's the part that was yellow, like lighter, and because I only put like the blue and I left it like for too long, I knew it was gonna turn blue. And let's see if I'm just finished to do my wash and go. You can't really tell, the color looks darker. It's normal when my hair is like damp or I have some gel, it just looks darker, but I can tell that it's not brassy. Like the part that has the color doesn't look brassy at all, so I'm really happy. I'm actually surprised because I only like used the blue one, which means my hair is pretty much more orange than yellow. This is a proof. But yeah, even the part that was blue doesn't look blue anymore, like when I'm looking at it like that. But we will see once it's dry. I'll show you later. Okay, so this is my hair 100% dry. They look brassy right now, but they are not, as always. So I feel like the lighting was showing the result a little bit more yellow. This is a picture that I took the same day in my car, and the lighting is better. This is exactly the color that it looks like. So you can see it's not brassy at all. And I really, really like the result. I'm actually really surprised that I think the blue with got2b work better with like the color of my hair that I have. And I kind of filmed this video I think in April or May, so I'm gonna have to try this summer again to see what it looks like. But let me know what you guys think. Can you tell a difference, like if you are used to watch my other video where I did the toner with the Manic Panic? Let me know which one do you prefer. Like do you prefer the one with got2b or the one with the Manic Panic? But yeah, this is pretty much it. watching. Bye, Jolie.